Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning division, and in this continuation of this topic, we are going to study today exercise 5.6, and we are going to solve question number 11 because 10th question we have solved. So children, we are going to start our 11th question. 11th question is find the quotient and remainder in each case and verify the answer. Today we are going to learn how to verify our answers. After division, we will verify the answer first. So children, today is August 2021. This is your maths class, class 3. Okay children, so here today we are going to start our exercise number 5.6, and the question we are going to solve 11. Okay, so exercise number 5.6 and question number 11. What is written over here? Find the quotient. Find the quotient and remainder in each case and verify the answer children. Okay, so now here children, find the quotient and remainder and each case and verify the answer children today. So children, let's start. We are doing this is number 1A, and the question is 221 divided by 5 children. Okay, let's start children. Division. So we will write over here 221 divided by 5. So this is 221 is the dividend and divisor is 5. So now children, we will see in table of 5 how many times we will get 22. Now here we will get 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20 children. So 4 we will write over here, we will get 20. Okay children. So here 2 minus 2, nothing will be there, and now 2 minus 0 we will get 2, and again we will drag over here this 0. Now we will tell the table of 5 how many times. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20 children. Okay, so we will get 0 0 over here. 44 is the quotient. Now children, how can we check this answer? Is this answer is correct? How can we check this? So children, let us learn how to check the answers. Okay children. So first of all, what we will do? Now children, we will check by the multiplication. Okay, whatever the quotient we are getting over here, we are going to check the answer. Check the answer. For checking the answer, whatever the quotient we are getting over here, we are getting over here 44. Now we are going to multiply with 5. 5 4s are 20. We will carry over here 2. Okay. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 we will get over here. Now children, 5 4s are 20 again and plus 2, so we will get 21 22. So here children, you can see answer is correct because our dividend is here. You can match it. So this answer is correct. So now answer we are going to write over here. Quotient is equal to 44 and remainder we are getting 0. 0 is the remainder. So complete this question, children. Complete this question. We have completed this. Okay. So complete this. Now we are moving to the second number. Okay. Second number we are going to do, children. B, that is B. B is, at B number you can see 313 divided by 6, children. 313 divided by 6, children. Let's divide, children. Here you can see 313 is the dividend and 6 is the divider. Now we will tell the table of 6, children. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, children. Now here 6 fives are 30, children. Okay. So we will get 1 over here, 0 we will write over here, again we will write 3 here. Okay. Now because 13 is there, so that is why how many times we will take this table of 6? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, children. Now when we will minus 3 minus 2, we will get 1 and here nothing. So remainder is 1 and quotient is 52. Now check the answer. Check the answer, children. Check the answer. Now here you can see 52 divided by 6. Okay. Sorry, multiply by 6. When we multiply, this is our quotient. This is quotient. Okay, children. And when we have to check the answer, what we will do? We will do the quotient over here and we are going to multiply with 6 because this is the divisor. So divisor से हम multiply करेंगे. Now 6 twos are 12. 1 will be carry over. Okay. Now 6 fives are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So children, here you can see the answer is correct, 312. Okay. So 312 and 1 is remainder. So it will become 301 is remainder. So we will get 313, children. So here you can see 313 is answer is correct. Okay. Now we are going to solve the next number. You just complete this. B number we have already done. Now we are moving to solve C number. Okay, children. Pay attention over here. C number we are going to do. So completed, children. C number. C number is there. C number we are going to do, that is at C number. Now C number, question number 11, C we are going to do. C, question number 11. C number we are going to do, that is 3516, children. 3516. Okay, and divided by 9, children. Okay, let's see, children, how can we do 3116 divided by 9. Children, here you can see 9 is the divisor, 3516 is the dividend. So how can we do, children? First we will see in 9 table how many times 35 will come. So in 9 table we can't get 35 actually. So that is why we will do over here, children, 9 threes are 27. Okay, 9 threes are 27 we will see over here first. Okay, so complete it. 9 threes are 27. So 9 threes are 27. Okay, children, when we are going to subtract it, so here you can see 5 is much smaller than 7. So that is why we will write over a 15, just borrow, then it will become 15. 15 minus 7, here we will get over here, children, 8. when we are dragging over here 1, so 9 के टेबल में अगर आप देखेंगे 9 9s are 81, so 81, nothing will be left. Now children, here you can see 6 is there, so in 9 table you can't get 6, so that is why we will see the table of 9 in 0 times. 9 zeros are 0, we will get again here 6, when we are minus we will get 6 minus 0, we will get 6 children. Now here we are going to write quotient equal to 319, and here you can see remainder equal to 6 children. Okay, 390, a remainder is 6 children. So completed. This we have done. If we are going to check it, how can we check it children? Let's see. So check the answer first. Check the answer children. Okay, check the answer children. Here you can see our quotient is 390. Now children, check the answer first. We are going to write over here 390 multiply by 9. 9 zeros are 0 children. 9 9s are 81. We will write here 1. 8 will be carry over. 9 3s are 27. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So answer is 3510 plus remainder, if you will see, remainder is 6. So we are going to add over here 6. So 6153. So here children, this answer is correct. Okay. So you can see first what we have done children. First we are going to multiply with 399. Okay, so 390 is multiplied by 9, so we will get over 3510. Now plus 6 because remainder is there, so 3516. Here you can see 3516. The answer is correct children. So complete it. Okay, complete it. Now our next question we will do. Now children, we are going to do D number. That is children, D number 2019 divided by 8 children. Okay, now let's do 2019 divided by 8. We will tell the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So children, 8 twos are 16 children. So here you can see when we are subtract this, what can we get? So 10 minus 6, we will get 4 over here. Now 1 will be drag over here. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, and 8 fives are 40. So children, 40 we will write over here 1, we will get 0. Now we are going to drag over here 9. Okay, so 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 children. Okay, 8 twos are 16 children. Here you can see 8 twos are 16. Now we are going to subtract this. 9 minus 6, we will get 3, and here we will nothing. So this is quotient 252 and remainder is 3. So how can we check this answer? Let's see. 252 multiplied by 8. Okay, and remainder is plus 3. Okay, now 8 twos are 16, 1 is carry over. 8 fives are children, 8 fives are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 8 fives are children 40. 40 plus 1 is 41, 4 will be carry over. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here children, you can see this answer 2016 is the answer, plus if we will add over here plus 3, so what we will get? 9102. So we will get 2019 children. So this answer is correct over here. You can check this. Okay. So here children, answer is correct. So we will write quotient. Quotient we will write over here. 252 is the quotient, and remainder we will see over here equal to 3. So D number we have completed children. D number we have done. Now we are moving to solve the next question, that is number 12 question. First you just complete it. Now we are going to see our next question, that is 12 number question children. Find the quotient and the remainder when each of the following number is divided by 10. Now here we are going to divide by 10 each number. Now 83 is given at A number, B is given at 261, and C number 902 is given, D number 700 is given, and E number 5613 is given. So now children, we are going to divide this. Okay, so let's divide 12 number. We are going to complete our next question. Next question is number 12. Okay, number 12 we are going to do children. Now number 12 is find the quotient. Find the quotient. Find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder when each of the following. Now children, we are going to write number 12. Find the quotient when remainder each of the following. When remainder each of the following number is divided. Each of the following number is divided by number is divided by 10 children. So we have to divide the number by 10. Now here children, you can see 83. A number, at 8 number you can see 83. We have to divide by 10 children. So let us start division. 10, 83. Now here children, what we will do? First we will see how can we do this. Now children, here you can see at 10's table we will get this 83 or 80 8 times. So here we will write 8, 80. We are going to subtract this. We will get 3 over here. Nothing will be placed. So 8 is the 8 over here. This is quotient. Quotient equal to 8, and remainder we will get 3 children. Okay. Okay children. So we will complete this number we have done. Okay. Okay children. Now we are going to do next one. Children, we are going to do next one, that is B number. You just complete it. Okay, completed children. Now we are going to do next one, B number. B number is here. B number we are doing. 261 divided by 10 children. Okay, now let's see, 10 is the divisor and 261 is the dividend. Now 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20 children. Okay, after subtraction we will get 6 over here, and here is nothing, so we will drag over here 1. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, and 10 sixes are 60 children. So here 1 we will get, 0 we will get over here. So 26 is the answer. Quotient equal to 26, and remainder we will get over here 1 children. Okay, so completed children. Now we are moving to do C number children. C number. At C number you can see 902 children. 902 divided by 10 children. Let's see how can we do. 902 is the dividend and 10 is divisor. So 10 nines are 90. Nothing will be left. 2 is the remainder. Okay. So children, complete it. We will write remainder over here. Remainder we will write. So because this is 2, so that is why we will take 10 zeros are 0. So minus 2. Okay. Again we will get 2 remainder. So our quotient is 90. Okay. Quotient is 90 and remainder is over here 2 children. So completed children. Complete children. Now we are going to do D. 700 is there, you just complete it first. C number you just complete it first. After that we will do D number. At D number you can find 700. D number we are going to do children. D number is there. Okay. D number is 700 divided by 10. Now here 10 we will write, 700 we are going to write over here. So 10 sevens are 70 children. 0. We will drag over here 0. Okay children. Because 0 is remaining here, we will get nothing. So 0 is remaining. What we will do children? Now children, we will tell the table of 10 0 times. So every table will start from 0. So 10 zeros are 0. We will get nothing. Okay. So here children, we will getting over here 70 is the quotient. Quotient is 70 and remainder is 0. Okay. So complete this children. Number D we have completed. Complete it. Number D we have completed children. Complete it. Now we are going to do next question, that is D number. 5613. Okay. D number we have completed. Now we are going to do E number, that is 5613 divided by 10 children. Okay. Now here children see, divided by 10. 10 fives are 50, remainder is 6, nothing will be left over here. We will drag here 1, okay. 10 6 are 60, we will get 1, nothing will be there. So we will drag over here 3, 10 ones are 10, 3 will be right over here, nothing will be here. So here children you can see remainder is 3. Remainder is 3 children. You can see over here remainder is 3. And quotient we are getting 561. So we will write over here quotient equal to 561 and remainder is equal to 3. Okay. So that is how we can complete this 12 number question. Now we will do children our next question, that is 13. Find remainder when 357. Find remainder when 357 children is divided by 9. So we have to find remainder when 357 is divided by 9 children. So let's start children doing this 13 number. Question we will write first. Question we will write first. Find remainder. Find remainder. Find remainder when 357 is divided by 9 children. Okay, first we will see how can we divide this. 357 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, and here children if we will see 9's table we will get 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So here children 9 threes are 27. So here you can see 5 is smaller than 7. So we will get help. It will become 15. 15 minus 7 we will get over here. When we are subtract this 15 minus 7, what we will get? So children here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So we will get over here children. So we will get over here 8. Nothing will be there. So we will drag over here 7. So 9 ones are 9. 9 nines are here, you can see, we will see 9 nines are 81. 7 minus 1 we will get 6. Nothing will be placed over here. So 6 is the remainder. 39 is the quotient. So quotient over here we will getting 39 and remainder is 6 children. Okay. So children, complete it. We have to write only remainder, so we will write over here 6. This is the answer. Remainder is the 6. So complete it children. 15 number we have completed. Now after that we will start our word problem based on division. Okay. So children, complete it first. Now children, in our next video we will see this word problem. Okay. So how can we make the word problem, that we will learn, and how to frame word problems. That is only like a storytelling. If the number is given, so we have to create a story on that. Okay children. So here you can see this is exercise number 5.7 we will do children. and after that these question will be solved in the video. Okay children, so there are 10 questions we are going to solve. Okay, and after that simplification we will learn. So children, these things we will do in our next video. Okay, so till then, bye bye and take care.